Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol BASI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today. A nice gap up, and then after the initial upwards move, price kind of did some consolidating. So let's first start with areas of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal area of support going forward, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can continue to hold above $1.45, that would accomplish that. Why do I say continue? Well, there's already been a few instances there where the bears try to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding strong, and you definitely want to see that continue going forward. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price does fall below $1.45, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can continue to hold above it, that's going to be best case scenario. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize the price closed up there, and that line is all the way down there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And then when you stop and think about it, all right, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself over time has to keep on increasing. And that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So again, easy way to look at this and judge the health or lack thereof of the move is simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Now, yes, up here, this is what I would call the fun level of resistance, because I'll be the first to admit it is fun talking about testing previous highs, breaking new highs, and that's where $1.73 comes into play right there. But in many cases, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be crossed before you start talking about the fun level. And that is the case here, like many others. And that initial bridge that first needs to be broken above and maintained above is right there at $1.60. You can see this afternoon, the bulls tried on several occasions to break up through there. Broke up above there a couple times, but could never maintain the break. So again, yes, up there at $1.73 is a level of resistance. But before we start talking about that one, first level that the bulls need to get above and stay above right there at the $1.59, $1.60 area. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.